Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the Yamaha YBR Black, a motorcycle that's been turning heads amongst riders, especially those new to the two-wheeled world. Let's see if this sleek black machine lives up to the hype. Design elements. First up, let's talk about that head-turning look. The YBR Black comes in, well, you guessed it, a stunning black finish that's sure to make a statement on the road. But it's not just about the color. The sharp lines and minimalist design give this bike a modern and sophisticated feel. It's a motorcycle that won't look out of place cruising city streets or navigating country highways. Performance specs. Now, let's get under the hood, well, technically under the seat. The YBR Black packs a punch with its air-cooled, 125cc engine. It's not a powerhouse, but it's perfect for zipping around town and offers great fuel efficiency, so you won't be breaking the bank at the pump. Speaking of handling, the YBR Black is designed for comfort and control. The telescopic front forks and adjustable rear shocks provide a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. And the disc brake up front and drum brake in the rear ensure confident stopping power, keeping you safe on your journeys. Unique selling points. Now, what truly sets the YBR Black apart? Here are a couple of things. Beginner-friendly, this motorcycle is ideal for new riders. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and has a user-friendly clutch and gear system. You'll feel comfortable and confident behind the handlebars in no time. Reliable and affordable, Yamaha is known for its dependable machines, and the YBR Black is no exception. It's built to last and requires minimal maintenance, making it a great value for money. Target audience. So, who is this motorcycle for? It's perfect for city commuters. Navigate through traffic with ease thanks to the YBR Black's compact size and agility. New riders, get a feel for the world of motorcycling with a forgiving and easy-to-learn machine. Budget-conscious riders, enjoy the freedom of two wheels without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The Yamaha YBR Black might not be the flashiest motorcycle on the market, but it offers a compelling package for a great price. It's reliable, comfortable, fuel-efficient, and perfect for new riders or anyone looking for a practical and stylish commuter bike. Call to action. If you're looking for a motorcycle that ticks all those boxes, then the Yamaha YBR Black is definitely worth a closer look. Head down to your local Yamaha dealer for a test ride and see if it's the perfect two-wheeled companion for you. Outro. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the Yamaha YBR Black. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and exciting content. Until next time, ride safe.